The marathon runners have a long way to go under this hot July sun. 26 miles, 385 yards. Through the streets of Cardiff and out into the country. Everywhere in Wales, even in the stadium, there is a hill. Out in the country now, bunched together, they gather strength from each other. Courage for the fearsome moment when one must break away and go out alone with only his own determination to stay him. From the hard road... In the marathon, Dave Power of Australia has broken away and is heading back into the outskirts of Cardiff. His whole body is crying out for him to stop. But Barnard of South Africa is on his heels. Dave Power is back in Cardiff. He's tired, but he's broken the opposition and is out on his own. The last hill, downhill this time and into the stadium for his final lap. It has been a long way, 26 miles, 385 yards. When you have run that distance together, your opponent, whether he has beaten you or not, becomes your friend. It is not all